A few years ago, I finally caved and jumped on the Blundstone bandwagon, and I can really see what all the hype is all about. They're so easy to slip on, they look good casual or dressed up, and they can really last you a lifetime. However, you need to make sure that you put some care into them so that they can last you as long as possible. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean and take care of your Blundstones. Hey everyone, I'm Tutorisaurus, and this is the channel for clean freaks. If you're new, be sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss one of my weekly cleaning tips. In this video, I'm going to show you my 3-step process for caring for your Blundstones. This consists of cleaning, conditioning, and protecting. Here's what you'll need: some microfiber cloths, a pair of gloves, a bowl of water, a shoe brush, some Jason Markk shoe cleaner, Blundstone renovating cream, and Colonel Carbon Pro. I'll link to all of these products in the description below. These definitely aren't the only products you can use, there's lots out there, but these are just the ones that I happen to find effective. Alright, first up, here's how to clean your Blundstones. Pour a little bit of the soap on your brush and dip it in water. Then, scrub in circular motions across the entire boot. You'll occasionally need to re-dip your brush into the water to make it more soapy, or add a few more drops to the brush. After you've created your soapy lather, wipe away the excess soap with a microfiber cloth. You may need to repeat this process a few times. Once the shoe's clean, let it completely dry. For me, this took about 2 hours. Now it's time to condition the boots. I like to use gloves for this process rather than another cloth, so that the cream doesn't get absorbed by anything other than the boot. Be generous with the amount of cream you use and rub it everywhere, paying extra attention to all the seams and lines around the boot. Now it's time to let the cream fully absorb into the boot, which is about 30 to 60 minutes. The longer the better though. After this time has passed, use a clean cloth to buff out any extra little bits of cream that might still be on the boot. Then let it sit for about another 20 minutes before you move to the final step. Alright, now for protecting the boot. This is where you're going to apply a waterproof spray so that stains and water don't get absorbed into the boots, protecting it over a longer period of time. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area, like outside, and evenly coat the boot all over. I find it best to start further away and then work your way in. Then, once the boot is completely coated, let it completely dry for about an hour or so. And now, let's take a look at the boot. As you can see, it's looking pretty good. There's no more mud stains, no salt stains on it, and it even has a bit of a nice darker finish. If you have any other tips on cleaning your Blundstones, let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like to let me know. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!